Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize your gift ideas and shopping lists in Notion, the perfect guide to keep you organized in 2025. Let's get straight to it. First things first, open up your Notion desktop app or log in via your browser. Now that we're in, let's create a new page. We'll name this Gift Ideas and Shopping Lists. This is because having a dedicated page helps us keep all our gift and shopping-related thoughts in one place. Next up, let's break this page down into two main sections, gift ideas and shopping lists. For this, we'll use the toggle list feature in Notion. This feature allows us to create collapsible sections, which make our page look clean and organized. Under the gift ideas section, we're going to create a table. In this table, we can jot down the names of the people we're buying gifts for, the gift ideas we have for them, and the occasion. This helps us because it gives us an overview of who we're buying for and what we're buying. Then, under the shopping list section, we're going to create another table. Here, we'll list down the items we need to buy, where to buy them from, and the estimated cost. The reason we do this is to keep track of our shopping needs and budget. Now, let's add some more functionality. With Notion, we can also set reminders for when we need to start shopping. To do this, let's create a reminder column in our shopping list table. We then set the date and time for our reminder. This is important because it ensures we don't forget our shopping tasks. Lastly, let's make use of Notion's tag feature. We can tag our entries under gift ideas with tags like purchased, need to buy, or considering. This allows us to quickly see the status of our gift ideas. And there you have it. That's how you can easily organize your gift ideas and shopping lists in Notion. This system will not only keep you organized, but also ensure that you never miss out on buying a gift or an item from your shopping list. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more helpful guides in the future. Keep organizing, keep Notioning.